So this is going to be a reading for a sign of Capricorn, all that I need to know about your person, situation, where things are going for you. So let's start for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. So what are you guys going through? First three cards for you, and then we move to your person like usual. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's begin. First card we have for you is Eight of Cups. So many of you guys could have been confused for the longest time, but you guys are trying to find a way out of the situation now. Say suppose you guys were held in a situation where a person wasn't really available for you, or even participating or even giving to the connection. Okay, so you guys are trying to walk away from that situation. Okay, if you had been a part of a third party where your person was keeping you as a second option, then I definitely see you walking out of it. Okay, the card see for you, Eight of Cups. The deck is slightly flickery, so it's difficult to shuffle. With King of Cups, I still believe that this is someone who you feel you had feelings for, like the most in your lifetime. Like you feel like this is the one who you genuinely was in love with. Okay, bottom card, in the past you did try to get all practical about it, being a earth sign that you are. You try to see the positives, the negatives, but you know deep down that you had feelings for them. Okay, but right now I see you following your intuition. Right now you're more focused on what's going to make you happy rather than be a part of something and that drains you. Okay, what else do we see coming up for Capricorn? Many of you guys could be dealing with a potential water sign, majorly Cancer, if not Scorpio. Okay, less chances of Pisces, but Cancer and Scorpio is very strong. Could also be a Gemini. Okay, some of you it could be a Libra. Okay, but with the Chariot card, I see you moving forward. Eight of Cups in the Chariot is a card that means that you guys are wanting to go a step forward, go in a different direction altogether. Okay, not just thinking about it, but also wanting to act on it. Okay, so in terms of your relationship, what's the overall energy gonna be like? With Ten of Cups, I believe that you guys are moving towards something much more fulfilling. Okay, if this connection that you were a part of was rather draining, was rather taking from you than giving, then I see you trying to get rid of that in order to be a part of something much more fulfilling. Okay, in terms of what's coming your way. King of Pentacles. For many of you, I see a solid opportunity coming in terms of your finances. I see a lot of financial gains for you. Okay, King of Pentacles is very stable, beyond stable to be honest. With Ten of Cups, whatever makes you happy, I see that happening for you in the next 10 days. So do come back and let me know. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? We have the Strength card. So this person is resisting the temptation of reaching out. Okay, why is that so? King of Wands. They consider themselves above you for whatever levels. This might be pure arrogance or ego. Okay, bottom card with Four of Pentacles. They haven't been a giver. They have always rather held themselves back, very detached. Okay, some of you, this person could be a fire. If a fire, then I see a strong Leo. Okay, one more card. With Knight of Wands, in terms of energy, I do see them wanting to come forward. That is their energy. That is them wanting to make a move forward. Okay, but for now they've been resisting. But do I see them wanting to come forward? They are. Okay, they want to. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you? How do they think about you? We have Knight of Pentacles. They have been waiting on you to rather put in that effort. They've been the ones that have been benefiting from whatever you've been doing for the past many months, some of even a year. Okay, and they've maintained the stagnancy. They haven't been working on it. They've rather been a watcher, a viewer as to what you're doing, but never been a participant of the connection. Okay, in terms of their honest feelings for you. We have the Hierophant card. For some of you, I believe that this person looked at you as a potential good option for marriage. Okay, like they considered you a very good option. Okay, bottom card with Ace of Cups, they've been battling with themselves whether they had feelings for you or was it a practical connection. Okay, in terms of do they have major emotions for you. With Four of Wands, for many of you, this person in the past could have considered wanting to get married with you. You guys could have also discussed about marriage. I'm I'm getting a weird twin flame sign here. Okay, Temperance, Empress, Four of Wands. Okay, so I believe that for some of you, this person could potentially be someone that you were supposed to get married with. Some of you missed an opportunity because of they've been a complete dick for whatever reason. Okay, in terms of how do they feel whenever they think about you or miss you. With Page of Pentacles, consider this person is gonna reach out. They might take couple of days, but they will. Okay, Page of Pentacles is a very strong sign that they want to put in some bits of effort. Okay, if they come forward, how is that gonna turn out? With the Emperor card, trust me when I say this, even if they come forward, I still see them being detached. Okay, they will definitely make the move, no doubt, but they are still going to want to behave dominating, controlling, wanting to be top control of the situation. Okay, in terms of where things are going for now. With Two of Cups, even if you're not wanting them back in your life, I still see them being a part of you. Okay, right now you're literally struggling to walk away because you had serious feelings for this person. But trust me when I say this, regardless of what you want, I know this might trigger you a bit. You guys are very, very protective of how you come off and your energy, and you're very practical as to whom you give yourself to or not. Okay, you're not someone who's very emotional, being an earth sign, but regardless of how you feel and how you act and how you been, protecting yourself, I still see you being open to this person in the long run. Okay, so right now things are not working, this person has been distant, not talking to you, so you guys are trying to find a way out of it, trying to move on in a different direction. You guys almost will. Okay, like you guys will take a few steps forward as well, but I do see you this connection coming back in your life. They will make a move, they will initiate a conversation, they will take that step forward. Okay, do I see this the two of you interacting, talking together? I do. Okay, I seriously do. Okay, so like what are their major intentions for now? Major intentions for now, as of now, is to remain closed off. They are rather waiting for you to reach out. So this has been the case for the past, even let's say 5 to 6 days. Okay, one more card in terms of moving forward. Like, what are their major intentions towards Capricorn? And then, what can you expect? However, like this was the plan that they'll hold back and they'll just benefit from it. Okay, Three of Pentacles. Regardless of whatever they've been thinking and wanting, I see them like participating in the connection eventually. Okay, this could take a couple of days, but I definitely see them trying to come forward. Let me be honest with you. Do they want to come forward as of today? No. Are they having any plans? No. They are rather waiting for you. But as you ghost them, as the silence phase continues, I see them waking up. Okay, that is gonna give them a serious kick on their ass. Okay, and that's gonna wake them up. Okay, the silence, that's gonna freak them out a bit that you are not coming forward, and it's their time to come forward and initiate the conversation. Okay, in terms of what's the major blockage in this connection? blockage has been that this person hasn't been trying harder. Okay, it's like you've been wanting the connection, no doubt, but the person on the other end hasn't been putting in that effort. I'm not even talking about equal effort. This person hasn't even been trying to work things out. Okay, in terms of what else do we see? They could be too engrossed in their work or their finances. Okay, like no time for love and that bullshit. With the Empress card, they consider themselves above you for whatever levels. Okay, um, this person is always concerned about growing themselves financially, emotionally, so like even spiritually. They are all about themselves, me, and they've been very much selfish for whatever reasons. Okay, one more card. Too self-engrossed has messed the connection. With Five of Wands, in the past, whenever you guys spoke, you guys always had an argument, so that led to some negative thinking. Okay, in the past as well, you guys could have had an argument which led to the silence phase. Okay, with the Moon card, you do not know much as to what this person is up to, so that always triggered you. Being a very much a practical sign, you wouldn't take chances in a connection that you see red flags for. Okay, in terms of one kind of advice for Capricorn. Advice for Capricorn we see is Three of Swords. I'll be very direct with you. If you feel that this person is not right for you, and they'll just hurt you eventually, they are putting into a third party. Say suppose there's a third party, like you are held in a third party, and they have an option to choose between you and someone else, then the best thing to do is walk away. But if say suppose they are single and they've not been trying, then I see them trying. Okay, to some extent they will try. Okay, I'm not going to tell you the long term outcome because that's going to confuse you. But for a short term, if your person is single and you know it, then I see them coming forward. But if they have a third party and they are equally giving into the other connection and just keeping at the sides, it is time to walk away. Okay, so in what can you expect if you guys are dealing with a water sign? Capricorn dealing with water. Capricorn dealing with water, this person is definitely wanting to give you attention, like they will. Okay, like in the coming days, not like to day, but in the coming days, I see this person coming forward. Okay, in terms of their feelings. Four of Swords. For whatever reason, they've been the one that has been ghosting you. They've been silent. They've been holding themselves back. Like, what's the major blockage here? Blockage, I would say that they wanted you to come forward. Okay, like someone ghosted the other person and it continued. It went on. Okay, if you guys are dealing with air sign, if you guys are dealing with air sign, again a big positive yes. This person will message you. How do they feel about you though? This person loves you crazy. Okay, if you guys are dealing with an air sign, could be slightly younger to you, but I see this person having feelings for you. They like whenever they interact with you, whenever they have a conversation with you. So what's blocking the connection? This person could also be very sexual, like they are always very passionate. Okay, and it's always fun interacting with them. What's blocking them? I believe for some of you, this person is someone who gets a lot of attention. So you know how that goes, right? So they've been kind of like holding themselves back for whatever reason. But I feel that either one of you gets a lot of attention. It could be you or them. Even you being a Capricorn, you guys are quite you know happening. So whosoever had option, that has been blocking the connection. Okay, if you guys are dealing with earth sign, if you guys are dealing with earth sign, this person is not someone who was wanting a commitment. It's in the reverse. So this person could also be married. Okay, like they have a other significant other connection going on. In terms of their feelings, feelings, this person is always very confused. They do not know whether they like you, whether they love you, whether they are attached to you. They have lots of shit going on in their life, okay? Like they have other problems that they are facing as well. So your problem might not be a top priority in their life, okay? So what can you expect? What's the major blockage and what can you expect? With Temperance card, regardless of whatever is happening, I see this person coming forward, okay? Eventually, they'll come forward and choose you, but for now, there could be a delay, okay? Of 5-6 days of delay, but eventually, I see this person coming forward, okay? In terms of fire, fire sign, this person has ghosted you, like they have been distant, they have been away. In terms of their feelings, they do have feelings. I mean, this could be a new connection. They do have shit for you, but it's not like a lot. Like it's something, okay? They have started growing interest in you, like intensity wise, emotions wise. They have a intense attraction towards you, okay? Like what's the major blockage that could be getting in the way? Blockage I see is Ace of Swords. Lack of communication has been the major blockage. Also, you do not trust this person very much for whatever reason, okay? So in terms of Capricorn dealing with someone brand new, how is that going? If you're dealing with someone brand new, this person has been detached for whatever reason. They have rather been trying to push you away, okay? This person is a party kid, they've been too focused on getting attention, this and that. They either push you away or they just get all clingy. So it's left or right, okay? One more card in terms of their feelings. With Ten of Pentacles, for whatever reason, this person is considering you for long term, okay? Like they do think about you, like what if I get married, what if I consider this person, what if we think about marriage, okay? In terms of their feelings, feelings wise, I would say that this person hasn't really got a chance to explore their feelings for you yet, but they do have a lot of liking for you, but they are very very curious about you. They feel like you push them away or you do things, and then even they try to mirror the same effect. They try to push you away, they get all silent. So it's a through and fro situation, okay? You do, I do, okay? With Ace of Wands, but they find you very very attractive. Emotion wise, I don't see them having a lot, but in terms of sexual attraction, I see that like being a lot, like a lot, okay? With Eight of Swords, this person is also an overthinker. I don't feel like they have got completely over the past person, so that could be a major blockage for now, okay? So that is all for Capricorn, a huge big reading. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. You know the drill. If you haven't followed, please do subscribe. That helps the channel a lot. Every like counts, so if you could manage to hit that one like button, that would go a long way for me. If you guys want a personal reading, go to the website on Etsy and book one for yourself. We do have 15% off, okay, on year-end sale. You press the link and it's going to automatically slash 15% off on your way out, okay? Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.